mindset that stops you from getting buyer is a mindset that does not believe in process, not going through the process, wanting everything quick, sharp, now. But that does not generate desire. Good day, my name is Dela Yimibo, and I'm your expert doctor. And today I'll be talking about the mindset that stops you from getting buyer abroad. The mindset that stops you from getting buyer abroad. It's important for you to know that export is a process, particularly export promotion is a process. Because export promotion is a process, having the kind of quick, sharp mindset, having a mindset that want to get the result now, having a mindset that doesn't believe in gestation period from which you start working on something and keep at it and continue with it until you get result will make you to find it difficult to get buyers. Maybe this is the reason why people are always looking for someone to give them contract for them to fund. Because when you wait for someone to give you contract for you to fund, what will happen is that you will need to look for another contract after that shipment. Because you've not learned to be able to find a buyer yourself, you will now have to look for another buyer after that shipment. Why? Because you have not mastered how to do it yourself. Because you've not mastered how to do it yourself, you expect someone to do it for you. So you pay for someone to give you a contract. So you want ready-made work. Now, when you finish shipping to that person, and the person is no more buying, you are back to square one, which is why being able to learn about how to find buyers is important for you. And one of the protocol is having this mindset that export promotion is a process. If you have followed all I've discussed since I've been talking about how to find buyer, I've spoken a lot issues around issue of how it moves from when you start the export promotion to where you get results. Because you create awareness, then you generate interest, then you create desire, and finally action, a decision to want to buy. So that means the promotion process progresses from one stage to the other. It starts with being ready. Now, I've talked a lot about the issue and subject of readiness. I've emphasized on it. I've spoken a lot about it. I cannot overemphasize the need for you to be ready. I don't know how else to say that. The need for you to be export ready. And if you have followed me, you will see, even in this particular series I've been doing on how to find buyer, I've spoken about the need to be ready. In fact, immediately you become ready for export, finding buyer is a natural occurrence. Because being ready means you have learned, now you know exactly what you need to do to be able to find buyer. So it's progressive from one stage to the other. It starts with being export ready, then having a product, being export ready, having a product, developing a website. How do you want to do international business without having a website? Does that even make sense? It doesn't make sense. How do you even intend to grow your business? How do you want to do business abroad without having a website? You must have a website and build online profile. Build online profile. Have a budget to fund promotional activity online. Get ready for export. Get ready for export. Have a product you want to export. If you are thinking of what product on this particular YouTube channel, there's a place what to export from Nigeria. If you are from Nigeria, or what to export to a particular country, you can get a lot of product idea you can export. Have a product, develop a website showing the detail of your company and the product you want to export. Build an online profile. Have a budget online profile by having different Facebook, at least Facebook and Instagram. Having a TikTok, Twitter, YouTube will be good, but at least Facebook and Instagram for your business. Build an online profile. Have a budget of fund professional activity, because The whole essence of the online profile is to be able to fund promotional, is to be able to promote your product through your profile on the social media. Promote your product through your profile on the social media. So having a budget to fund promotional activity, engaging a representative abroad, engaging a representative abroad, getting a storage facility at destination, putting a host of other things in place before commencing actual promotional activities. That means before you start promoting, you are export ready. Before you start promoting, you have a product. Before you start promoting, you have a website. Before you start promoting online, you have built online profile on social media. Before you start promoting, you have fund to promote, to pay for advertisement online. Before you start promoting online, you have a representative abroad. Before you start promoting online, get a storage facility at destination. Before you start promoting online, put all these in place. Failing to go through this process, we most likely make all the promotional activity not to yield the desired result. The mindset that stops you from getting buyer is a mindset that does not believe in process, not going through the process, wanting everything quick, sharp, now. But that does not generate desired result. If this video has been of immense benefit to you, you have learned one or two things from it, give it a thumbs up. If you have friends that need to hear about it, share with them. If you have questions for me, drop it in the comment section. If you are not part of the community, subscribe. And more importantly, you want to know when we upload a new video, click on the notification bell. My name is Dele Ayemibo, and I'm your expert doctor, and I'm signing out.